Hey everybody, welcome to my video, the top 5 bluegrass skills. If you're watching this on YouTube, you're going to see a short version. For the full version, check out my website, Songbike. Now, everything from today's video comes to us from this great book called Bluegrass Guitar by Fred Sokolow, and it's published by Howell Leonard Publications. I recommend this book highly. If you would like a copy, I have a few copies for sale. Check out Songbike, and that's where you can order yourself a copy of this great bluegrass guitar book. All right, let's get down to it. At the heart of bluegrass guitar playing is the boom chick strum. You hit a bass note and then you follow through with a light strum on the treble strings. There are a lot of variations of this, and I'm going to teach you a variation right now that goes boom chicka chicka, boom chicka chicka. Okay, a single bass note and then 2 light down ups on the treble strings. This is for songs that are in waltz time, 3/4 time. So this is from page 19 in the book, Blue Moon of Kentucky, in the key of G. By the way, all this stuff you're going to see today is tabbed out in the book, and the book comes with a CD to let you know what the final result is going to sound like. So here's Blue Moon of Kentucky. A 1, 2, Blue Moon of Kentucky. Shine, shine, let's go. Blue Moon. Traditional bluegrass music features a relatively small handful of chords, but that hasn't stopped guitar players from getting creative and having fun while they play those chords. So for instance, from page 11, here's a riff based on the G chord. Now the downs and ups are important, and those are all illustrated in the book. But another important factor is squeezing the pick versus relaxing your grip. I squeeze the pick a little bit when I hit those bass strings, okay? I was exaggerating a little bit right there. And then I relax my grip when I do those little brushes down up. That helps get a nice contrast between those two sounds. Okay? Now, how about connecting 2 chords with a bass note run? There's a classic G to C riff that goes like this. Okay, you're going to learn lots of ways to connect chords. And you're going to see the same chords over and over again, but you'd be surprised how many ways you can connect them with bass note runs. All right, YouTubers, now there's a lot more I want to show you about bluegrass guitar, so head on over to Songbike and become a member so you can see the rest of this video and a lot of other great guitar videos. While you're there, you can also get yourself a copy of Bluegrass Guitar, right? Published by Howell Leonard, written by Fred Sokolow. I recommend this book highly, and you can order it right from that website. All right, I'll see you over at Songbike.